What is communication? How can one communicate effectively? Communication is the process of exchanging information or messages between individuals using language, signs, symbols, or body language. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing are all elements of communication that allow us to understand one another. A person who speaks more than one language will be able to communicate well with people around the world. Communicating effectively with people and customers requires communication skills. What are the requirements for learning a language? In order to learn a language, one must develop 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. A person who speaks more than one language will be able to communicate well with people around the world. What do you mean by listening skills? How can one be able to listen attentively? Listening is the key to any successful conversation. Good listening skills are essential to effective communication. When a conversation takes place, it's important to give the other person your undivided attention. Need for active listening: we listen to gain information and facts. We listen to understand. We listen to enjoy. We listen to learn. We listen to build and maintain relationships. We listen to resolve conflicts. What is active listening? Active listening is an art that comprises both a desire to comprehend and an offer of support and empathy to the speaker. It can affect your job effectiveness, the quality of your relationships with others, and, hence, your overall well-being. Active listening allows you to understand the problems and collaborate to develop solutions. Discuss the 2 different commonly used punctuation marks. Give examples. The following are the different types of punctuation marks. Full stop: it marks the end of a sentence. It is also used to show abbreviations of long words. Is the sign used for a full stop? For example, professor can be shortened as professor when used as a title before a name. Example: this is a sentence, this is another sentence, comma. We use a comma to indicate a pause in a sentence. We can also use a comma to separate items when we are listing more than 2 items in a row. Comma is the symbol used for the comma. Example: after the waiter gave me the menu, I ordered food. I bought apples, oranges, and grapes. Define simple and complex sentences. Also, give examples. A simple sentence is one with only one subject and one predicate, or one with only one finite verb. Example: she loves dancing. A complex sentence contains at least one independent clause and one dependent clause. Example: most students had read the book, however, Aditi had not. What are the nonverbal cues of active listening? Keep eyes on the speaker. Sit still and do not interrupt. Raise your hand to ask any question, clarify doubts. Differentiate between hearing and listening. Hearing is merely the act of perceiving sound with the ear. Listening, on the other hand, is something you intentionally choose to do. Listening necessitates concentration of your brain to process meaning from words and sentences. Why is active listening crucial in the workplace? Active listening allows others to feel more at ease while sharing information with us. People will be more interested in interacting with us frequently if we display our capacity to honestly listen to what others have to say. This can help to create new opportunities. Identify the following as simple, compound, and complex sentences. 1. Alisha and Jassi went to the park in the evening. 2. Subhi went to the garden and plucked some flowers. 3. The house was so beautiful that Dad decided to buy it. 4. Anjali can stay or leave. Although it was a sunny day, we did not go for a picnic. 1. Alisha and Jassi went to the park in the evening. Simple. 2. Subhi went to the garden and plucked some flowers. Compound. 3. The house was so beautiful that dad decided to buy it. Complex. 4. Anjali can stay or leave. Compound. Although it was a sunny day, we did not go for a picnic. Complex.